Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got something seriously exciting to talk about, the brand new 2026 BMW M3, and not just any M3, this one's in a head-turning orange color that screams performance, passion, and presence. Whether you're a hardcore BMW fan or just a car enthusiast in general, you're going to want to stick around for this full review, from the exterior details to the interior luxuries, performance stats, and what it'll cost to get one in your driveway. Let's dive in. Right off the bat, the 2026 BMW M3 in this vivid orange finish looks absolutely stunning. BMW calls it fire orange metallic, and it's not just bright, it's bold. It gives the car an aggressive, sporty vibe that matches the M3's performance DNA. At the front, the kidney grille is slightly revised from the previous model, still controversial, but it's grown on a lot of us, and flanked by slimmer laser LED headlights. The front bumper has deeper cuts, larger intakes, and sharp lines that all serve both form and function. Moving to the side, you get muscular wheel arches, carbon fiber mirror caps, and a set of lightweight forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Around back, the quad exhaust tips and carbon fiber diffuser let everyone know this isn't your average 3 Series. The stance is wide and low, and with that color, this M3 owns every road it rolls on. Step inside, and the M3 continues to impress. BMW has gone all out with tech and refinement in the 2026 model. First, you're greeted by the latest iDrive 9 infotainment system on a curved display that stretches from the gauge cluster to the center of the dash. It's fast, intuitive, and finally supports full wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are leather-wrapped M Sport buckets, and in this spec, finished with contrast stitching that echoes the orange exterior. You also get ambient lighting, a full digital instrument cluster, and carbon fiber accents across the dash and console. Comfort-wise, it's surprisingly plush for a performance car. Rear seat space is decent for a compact sedan, and the trunk is practical enough for daily use or a weekend getaway. Every switch feels premium, and BMW's attention to detail really shines here. Now, let's talk about what makes the M3 legendary: performance. Under the hood, the 2026 model retains the 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine, but it's been slightly refined and now pushes out 525 horsepower in the Competition X-Drive trim. That's a 20-horse bump over the 2025 model. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.2 seconds thanks to the all-wheel drive system and a lightning-quick 8-speed automatic transmission. And yes, for the purists, a rear-wheel drive version with a manual transmission is still available, though with slightly less power. Steering feel is sharp, the suspension is adaptive and responsive, and the M differential keeps everything planted through the corners. Whether you're on a twisty road or a track day, the 2026 cubic meters handles like a precision instrument, with just enough madness to make every drive thrilling. So how much does all this performance and luxury cost? The base price for the 2026 BMW M3 starts around $76,000 for the standard rear-wheel drive model. Step up to the competition trim with X-Drive and you're looking at closer to $83,000. Add in some options, like the carbon exterior package, upgraded wheels, M-carbon bucket seats, and premium paint like fire orange, and it's easy to hit the $95,000 to $100,000 mark. Is it worth it? For a car that blends daily usability with track-capable performance and stunning looks, especially in this orange finish, the answer for many will be yes. So there you have it, the 2026 BMW M3 in fire orange metallic. It's loud, fast, packed with tech, and dripping with attitude. If you're looking for a car that stands out in both looks and performance, this might just be the ultimate daily driver for enthusiasts. Let me know in the comments what you think about this color and whether you'd spec yours the same way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more reviews like this one. Catch you in the next one.